Welcome to DB CyberTech. I'm Sean, and in this video, we'll be walking through the privacy product. Let's get started, shall we? So let's log in. We're going to go to privacy. Alright, this is the data classification summary page. This has all the information regarding PII exposure in your network. And what PII stands for is personal identification information. We'll go more into the details in a second here. First, let's look at the matches. So here on the right side, if you see all these little pink tabs, these are all the different kinds of personal identification information that are in your network. So, for example, socials, like as in social security number, birthday, weight, height of a person. Underneath that, we also have database services. These are all the different services within all of your databases within your network that have PII as well. And you can see how much PII is in each service by looking at the matches as well. So for example, there are 11 matches of personal identification information in the service ledger. What's cool is that in both of these, you can click on a specific name and look at the details about it. So what we call this is drilling down. So again, for anything that found a fingerprint, these were all the different services that found fingerprint PII in that service. And another way to look at it is if you go to the actual service, you can see exactly what PII was found in that service as well. Now, if you look up here in the right corner, there's a couple of different options. We call this the options toolbar. Now, what this does is allows you to export all this information that has been found within your system in a couple of different ways. So here you can export the matches to a CSV file and just the matches only. What that will do pretty much is download it to an Excel file. So do you see how the matches, now all of the different PII is all on one page. So that's export matches CSV. You can export the database services in the same way. You can export all the information together on a PDF file. So it'll look like this. You get an overview. It'll have all the matches, as well as the database services, all together in one document. Now at the very end, we have a couple of different things. We have the user-defined terms and exclusions. Let's first look at the user-defined terms. So what the user-defined terms are these are terms that you can add as a user for the classifier to find within its findings. Within that, there are a couple different things that you could tell the classifier to do. So you can have the classifier look at the actual SQL for PII, and that would be through the add a new abbreviation or SQL identifier. Or you can add a new word, phrase, or concept. So you tell the classifier to look at the translation of the SQL to look for something like, again, employee ID, business address, etc. You also can have exclusions, and what exclusions do is take out terms that are within the classifier results. So, for example, how I showed you earlier that there is height, well, height by the classifier may not necessarily mean the height of a person, but more of the height and width of a photo of a person rather than their individual height. So what that does is skew the reports. So here you can actually take out or exclude a service if you want to. And that is the data classification summary page under the privacy product. So this concludes the privacy product walkthrough. For more information and help, please contact DB CyberTech technical support at support@dbcybertech.com or 1-800 1-800-375-0592. Again, that's 1-800-375-0592. I'm Sean from DB CyberTech. Thanks for watching.